1 container of some chunky mild salsa. I have some chicken breast here, and I'm going to go in and place chicken breast right here on top of this salsa. This is going to be so delicious. I have 4 chicken breasts. There we go. Now I'm gonna come in with a container of some taco seasoning, and I'm gonna pour that all right here on top of the chicken. I want it to touch the chicken so it cooks all into that meat right there. Oh my gosh, you guys, spring is here. The kids are busy with sports, and we need some fast and delicious meals. We're gonna grab another container of salsa, so that equals 2 containers of salsa, and I'm just gonna dump this right here, right on top of the chicken breast. So far we have 2 containers of mild salsa, 4 chicken breasts, and a package of taco seasoning. Now I have a nice little bushel of cilantro that smells so good. And I'm gonna come in with my cutting shears because this is what I found to be the easiest and most effective way to quickly chop up some fresh herbs. Now you can see I'm just putting that all right there on the top. I'm gonna save some for leftover for when this meal is done cooking. Okay, wow, look at how easy and simple that was. Wait until you see how this chicken turns out. It is going to be so tender, so full of flavor, and so easy to do, which is definitely my favorite. So let's pop that lid on. We're gonna put it on high right here, and we're gonna cook it for about 4 hours, and I am gonna show you guys just how delicious this is, and wait until you see what we are serving up with this delicious taco chicken. Our chicken is all done, and it smelled up the house so good. Ooh, look at that. You can see that it's all just cooking together, all those juices. And we're just gonna come in here. Wow, that's so tender, just shredding apart all of our chicken breast. Wow, yes. This chicken is looking so tender and smelling so delicious. I think it's gonna be nice and juicy. Oof. All right, let's get in here. Let's scoop ourselves a scoopful of, wow, look at that chicken. Ooh, I love the chunky salsa and how it just kind of gives us some of those chilies and the tomatoes. Yum, that looks great. I am just going to top this off with a little dollop of sour cream, and how about a little bit of fresh cilantro right on top of there. Ooh, oh, babe, you want to try some of this?
Sure.
Okay, here. I think that you'll really like this. Why don't you come over here and give it a shot? Oh, it's probably hot. You can even blow it off. Good? It's not, is it like spicy? Not too spicy? No, good?
Great.
Nice and tender and juicy, huh? All right, you guys, for a nice and tender, easy, juicy meal, I think, what did we use in here? We had chicken, we had salsa, we had that taco packet. I mean, that's really 3 ingredients. I'd say we threw in some cilantro, but that's not a have to. And neither is the sour cream. So that's it. Easy peasy. Enjoy.